What's up, Shaunda dolls? Welcome to Hairbyshaunda TV. Today's video is sponsored by April Lace Wigs. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy application for doing it yourself at home. If you don't know how to braid, you could just slick your hair back into a ponytail, flip it up as I did, and put on your ball cap. I'm going to use a bow hold lace glue. Don't drag me for the dirty bottle, okay? I use it a lot. Or you can use Got to Be glue, but I prefer bow hold because it dries so much quicker than Got to Be glue spray. So that's your choice, but I prefer this. All right, now go in your makeup kit and grab your foundation, your powder, whatever you use for your makeup. If you don't use makeup, just go to the CVS or Walgreens or whoever and get some. It doesn't have to be expensive. This is the kind that I use because it sticks so well. I think it's made by Maybelline, Matte Poreless or something like that. So here we are. I get a chance to see what I'm working with here. April Lace Wigs give me a wig and a wig cap, which I didn't use theirs, I used mine. And this is just an instructional booklet on how to take care of your wig. So here we go. Ooh, baby, listen, when I took that net off that wig, honey, and I saw all that hair fall out, I was so excited. Like, April Lace Wigs, y'all love me. That's the stats of the wig. Brazilian Virgin 22-inch, and you saw the rest. Anywho, look at the dots, and I like how they pre-pluck the hairline so you don't have to do it yourself and try to ruin the lace on the wig, because some people do. They pluck it, they don't know what they're doing. So I'm glad that they do that. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of the makeup I used before, and those black dots that you saw earlier on my hand, this will help to shade them out. This will help to hide a lot of the black dots, because some of us aren't professionals and we can't be putting bleach and bleaching a knot. So this is an easier way to do it without the chemicals. Okay, so now I'm just adjusting the belt in the back, sliding them in the slots to make sure I have a secure, tight fit wearing this wig. Okay, so now you want to adjust the wig, make sure that the ear tabs and everything are even. You don't want the wig to be crooked. You want the hairline to look as natural against your face. You don't want to pull it down too far because you don't want to be looking crazy, right? So I got my Got to Be glued, and I'm just going to apply a medium-sized layer from ear to ear along my hairline. So I applied 2 thin layers and I let it sit for maybe 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna pull down the lace and make sure everything is fitting right. Don't pull it down too far because you don't wanna look like Planet of the Apes, honey. So now I'm combing everything back. I see that I could pluck it a little bit, but like I said, this does not look bad for straight out the box. So, you know, you don't wanna try to do it yourself and ruin your wig. Okay, so just combing everything back, and I'm going to separate the ear tabs and put on my band. You can also use a head scarf or something like that, but I was at the hair salon, so, you know, if I was at home recording this, I would have put a head scarf on. I'm trying something different because I usually wear a center part. That's my go-to. I like the Elvira look. But I'm going to try a little off-centered part this time and see how this, you know, what this get me out here in these streets. So I'm going to apply a little bit of my Castly Hair Care Total Perfection Beeswax. Just a little wax to lay all the loose hairs down, and use my hot comb to lay everything down. Now take a look at the front. Doesn't it look like I plucked it? But I didn't. So anyway, I let it sit. I let the band sit on there for maybe about 15 minutes. And it's sticking. All right, now's the time to cut the lace off. And I always start from the center and go all the way down to the ear, and then back to the center, down to the other ear. Now, because I know it's two types of girls out here, me, for one, I'm the no baby hair crew, then there's the baby hair crew. So I am just going to demonstrate with this wig, straight out the box, what your baby hairs will look like if you attempted to do the baby hair, and what it will look like on the other side if you were not going to use baby hair. So, yeah, I saw that you would have to cut it. The baby hairs are pretty long. Okay, so I'm using my Silk Master Professional Flat Iron to throw a few curls in. I just split the hair down the back, brought it to the front, and put 3 curls on each side. Something real simple, something that you can do at home. Do it yourself, glam, okay? Something that does not take forever and you won't get frustrated, you know. Something easy peasy. Let's talk about this wig a little bit, okay? Shall we? I love the fullness of it. I love the fact that the hairline is not extremely full. They pre-pluck it. I love the fact that it's not so super shiny. I like the dullness of it. I love the natural look of it. It's bomb. April Lace Wigs, this is not my first time promoting for them. The last wig, girl, ooh, I'll put the link in the description for that wig. It was beautiful. They never fail. They never fail me. I didn't cut it or anything, so, you know, like I said, this is a do-it-yourself beginner's application, something easy peasy. I just put curls in it and, you know, got me a little glam look. To the left side, there's no baby hair. To the right side, there's baby hair. Here are all the different textures of wigs that they offer. Click the link in the description box. I will have a cute little discount code for you. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel to check out more videos. All right? Be blessed, ladies. Bye.